Hi guys, today we are going to be unboxing a USB hub. So let's get into it. Hey, so today we are going to be unboxing this USB hub which is from Zinq Technologies ZQ4H high speed 4 port ultra slim USB hub for laptops and computers. Yeah, that's the name. So we are going to be unboxing this. So the first impression which I get by weighing this with my bare hands is it feels really cheap, and it is cheap. I mean, it is for 600 Indian rupees, which is like 2.71 US dollars, and its actual cost is 600 Indian rupees, which is equal to 8.12 US dollars. So yeah, it is really cheap, and I guess you get what you pay for. So I just needed this. Like, I don't buy things too fancy. So yeah, I'm going to be opening this right now. Let's see if it works, because I need a thing which works rather than it looks fancy. Okay, so this is really small than I expected it to be, because if you see the photo in the on Amazon, you think it's like this big or something, like, yeah, this much, but this is really small. But yeah, it's nice packaging. See, here is the name, and Zinq Technologies. Nice. Here is some details. Yeah, okay, yeah, so you see there, 600 Indian rupees. Yeah, and it's made in China. Nice. So let me open this. Okay. Happy, unhappy, we'll find that out after using this. Not wrong. Okay, so this, I didn't expect this. See, like, this is too small. Like, what is this? What? Okay, let me compare this to something. This is my Samsung M11 phone, and this is how much its size is. So yeah, see, this is the back cover of it. It's like 1/4 of it. Oh my god, this is really small. I didn't expect this to be so small. Yeah, okay, fine. What? Focus. Nice. Yeah, so should work probably. So let me just untie this thing. Yeah, you got a decent length cable there. I mean, this is enough. Why would you need something bigger than this? See, it's very long. Yeah, okay, fine. This is nice. Okay, I'll meet you guys after I plug this into my laptop, and we'll try out by plugging in some of the things in all of these ports. You've got a little, the type B port. Yeah, okay, so I'll just be back with you guys in a sec. Yeah, so I'm back, and as you see, I have plugged a pen drive here, another one here, and a 32 GB micro SD. Yeah, and with this SD card reader, and my mouse, my beautiful little cheap mouse. Yeah, and to my surprise, everything is working. Like, I didn't think it would work so efficiently. And yeah, So let me just show you the screen of my laptop. And yeah, my laptop is really dumb. It's not a gaming laptop, so please, it's like almost similar to a MacBook. So yeah, just a second, let me show you if it's working or not. It's already started to heat up a bit. Yeah, okay, 1 second. So this is my laptop. Hope you can see. Yeah, so as you see, there are 1, 2 and 3. So 3 of these. Okay, so like it read all of them, and all of them are here. And is my mouse working? Well, I don't think so. Yeah, it's working. So you see my mouse, it's moving around. So it's working perfectly. And let me tell you about this thing. So it is compatible with PS4, hard drives, mouse, printer, keyboard, and even card readers. So yeah, it's amazing, I guess. For me, it's amazing. I don't know if you guys would like it, but according to me, you would like it 100%. Not gonna lie. And it is, you can use it on any device. It can be either a Mac, a Linux, or Windows. I'm using Windows right now. So yeah, you can use it on any of the devices. You can even use it on smartphones, I guess, but you need an OTG for that. I'll be making an unboxing video of that too. I ordered that too, so it will be coming in a few days. Yeah, so it's really nice. And yeah, you do not even need external drivers, so you don't need to install any software for running this Zinq Technologies, this tiny little guy here. It's really cute to see how that it's so small. It's really amazing. I can't believe it's working right now. So yeah, if you liked my video, please smash that like button right down there, like here somewhere. And also subscribe to my channel. It gives me a lot of hope to keep uploading. And yeah, so bye, see you in the next video.